it's paying off. The bull market update. I have Goldman Sachs on a 30-minute chart. They blew out corporate profits. Earnings season has started. This is a remarkable run. I'm going to feature JP Morgan. JP Morgan blew the earnings out. That is a complete way that we love to start earnings with the financial sector kicking. And we are kicking on all cylinders. Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo. Here's another one. Wells Fargo came out with earnings. We can see they kicked off the bull with the earnings cycle. Okay, so we have huge moves in JP Morgan. Okay, and we're up $11.60. And Goldman, the bull, is up right now $12.60, all on a 30-minute chart. We have started the earnings season with the financials with the blowout bull quarter. That is a blowout bull financial earnings.